Hey everyone, I know it's been a while, almost 3 years since my last video. It's just a bit challenging to shoot while traveling all the time, so I just took a break. But I really wanted to share this experience with you in case you have ever thought about flying a plane, because that's what I'm doing. I am taking a flight tomorrow at this place called Barrie Flying School. It's about 1 hour drive from my house. I really wanted to do it since past 2 years until my amazing friends got me this experience for my birthday. So I'm finally doing it. I am taking a 80-minute flight as a co-pilot. If you are curious about the cost, it costed me around $350 for an 80-minute flight, which is roughly about 20,000 rupees. I'm really nervous, to be honest, but also at the same time I'm very excited because I did want to do it for a very long time, and I hope you guys really get to learn something from this too if you ever plan on flying a plane. So let's see how it goes. See you guys tomorrow. So I have a pre-flight briefing session right now, which is about 15 minutes, and then we get on the flight. Sign the waiver form, and I have Cassandra here who will be taking care of me today, and this is what we are flying. Really excited. The weather is great.
Just make sure your harness is good, nice and secure, snug. Alright, you're gonna feel this control stick. Do it. Try it square. I'm just testing to make sure that the movement, that everything is moving the way I expect it to. So I'm happy with. Okay, show for the same part.
It's all good.
Okay. You'll notice all this tanks across over there, and in front of me, close to low. Alright. Go taxi and take off.
Just getting ready to fly.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
just finished my flight and I can't tell you how overwhelmed I am right now, because it was probably one of the best 80 minutes I've ever had in my life. I would definitely recommend you guys to try it out. It was an amazing experience, especially I think because it's fall and all the fall colors looked amazing from all the way top. And she also let me fly the plane most of the times when we were above ground, which was really nice of her. And yeah, I don't know what to say. I just can't, I can't believe that I flew a plane. If you guys need any more details, please feel free to contact me, and see you guys next time.